In this video, you are going to learn microscopic form of Ohm's law or vector form of Ohm's law. You all know that. What is Ohm's law? V equals to IR is said to be Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V equals to IR is said to be Ohm's law. Now, if I have a conductor, a cylindrical conductor, it is cylindrical conductor. When I connect it with a potential source, battery, V is the potential source, L is the length of conductor, A is the cross-section area of conductor, then current density J will produce inside the conductor, and J is equals to I upon A, and direction is from plus to minus side. At the same time, plus charge will accumulate here, minus charge accumulate here, and electric field E is developed from direction positive to negative side. So the parameters are E electric field, J current, density. These two are the microscopic forms and these two are the vector forms representing Ohm's law in electric field and in terms of current density is said to be microscopic forms of Ohm's law or vector form of Ohm's law. This can be done as we have the value V equals to IR. Ohm's law is V equals to IR. And we have R is equals to rho L upon A. So write down like this. This is V by L is equals to I by A into rho. Now you have learned V by L is equals to E electric field and I by A is equals to current density J. So put the value at the place of V by L, write electric field, and at the place of I by A, write J into rho. Further, you also know that electric field E J into rho is equals to 1 by sigma, because sigma conductivity is equals to reciprocal of resistivity. Now just cross multiply it, so you get J is equals to sigma into E. So J is a vector form, electric field E is a vector form, and these two vectors are along the same direction. They have same direction. So you can write vectorically, J current density is equals to sigma. Sigma is conductivity into electric field E. So this is said to be microscopic form of Ohm's law, or this is said to be vector form of Ohm's law. Expressing Ohm's law in terms of J and E is said to be microscopic form of Ohm's law or vector form of Ohm's law. Thank you.